How does deforestation affect animals in Chile? How does deforestation affect animals in Chile? This question opens up a world of challenges faced by wildlife in this beautiful country. Deforestation in Chile is a pressing issue that has serious consequences for its diverse animal species. The unique forests, like the sclerophyllous forests and the Valdivian temperate rainforests, are home to many animals that relying on these habitats for their survival. When trees are cut down or forests are fragmented, animals lose their homes. This loss of habitat makes it harder for them to find food, shelter, and breeding grounds. For example, in La Campana National Park, deforestation and human expansion have isolated habitats. Species like the pampas and kodkod, a small wildcat, struggle to find enough territory. Their movement and breeding opportunities are restricted, increasing their risk of extinction. Other animals, such as the colpio and South American gray foxes, the Andes skunk, and even pumas, also depend on connected forest areas. When these areas are broken apart, their chances of thriving diminish. Deforestation also worsens drought and wildfires, which are becoming more frequent due to climate change. These conditions further degrade habitats, making them less suitable for wildlife. The drying and browning of tree canopies reduce food availability. Wildfires can destroy entire animal populations and disrupt ecosystems. Additionally, the loss of forest cover affects pollination, processes that many plants and animals depend on. This ecological imbalance can lead to reduced food sources for various species and impact local communities that relying on these natural resources. From a cultural perspective, these environmental changes are deeply felt in Chile. Many communities have traditional ties to the land and its biodiversity. Local groups have historically depended on forests for their livelihoods, including artisanal fishing and sustainable agriculture. The damage caused by logging companies has led to a shift in attitudes toward conservation. Today, there is a growing awareness of the need to protect forests and wildlife. Local cooperatives are working alongside conservation organizations to manage land sustainably and restore damaged ecosystems. Deforestation in Chile threatens animal species by destroying habitats and fragmenting populations. It increases their vulnerability to climate extremes and disrupts ecological relationships. These impacts also affect the cultural and economic well-being of local communities, motivating a movement toward more sustainable coexistence with nature.